Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a tourist visa to travel to Mayotte. Before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify that neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Mayotte is an overseas France territory, but it's not part of the Schengen area. That means if you have a Schengen visa, that doesn't automatically allow you to travel to this destination. But again, there are certain exceptions. There are certain what do you call visa-free travel arrangements that may or may not apply in your case. So in order to check that, I have opened this France Visa Wizard. Now here we'll see. I'm gonna fill it sample. You do it as per your case. Nationality. Let's say you are an Indian national. I'm just putting a number. Okay. Married to French national, do you want to join a tourist family or who is an EU country? They have given that. I'm selecting no. Place of submission, let's say you'll be submitting in India. Visa type, let's say short stay. Main destination, this is very important. Mayotte. Your travel document, I select ordinary pass. Okay, you need a visa. Your plans, I select tourism, private place, click on search. Okay, so what does it say? Okay, so that means based on the answer that you selected, you do need a visa. And what are the documents you require? Photograph, passport with some validity 3 months longer than date you intend to leave. Okay. Purpose of travel like itinerary, hotel booking, reservation, your social professional situation like employment contract, leave certificate, and other things that apply. Funds, of course, you need money. Accommodation like hotel reservation and like, or if you're staying with a friend, those things, and travel insurance. Okay, €9. Wow, that's not huge. Okay, so the very first thing you like, I clicked on submit online and we came here. So what you have to do here is to log in. But if you have not created an account, you need to create an account. And then it sends a link to your email account where you can click on the link and get your account activated. So because I have already created the account, so I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, create a new application. Again, first it's gonna ask for the wizard, current nationality. Again, they ask this question. I select no, your stay, play plan of submission, city of submission where you're gonna submit. I'm just selecting this one. You need to do as per your case. Visa type, short stay, main destination of stay. Again, this is very important. So you're going for Mayotte. I'll select this one. Travel document. Now passport number, make sure you do it very clearly. I'm just doing sample. When it was issued, I'm gonna just put a sample date, expiry date. Your plans, I go for, you do as per your case, tourism. Okay. And I click on verify. Okay, now again, it has given me the similar information. You need a visa unless some exceptions are given. If you fall into that, that's fine. Otherwise, you need a visa. Okay. Now some information that this is just sample information. Gender, last name. You need to do as per your case. Obligatory for you. Okay. Date of birth, do it as per your case. Make sure you follow the pattern or date, sorry. Date, month, place of birth. Make sure this information matches with your passport so that there's no issue. Country or territory of birth. National ID number, do as per your case. Nationality or at birth, if different. If different, they have said, so I will not fill it up. Your personal information, address, make sure you give correct and nice address. Don't do like this. Postal code, city, country, telephone number, email address. Provide proper email address, not like this because it's just sample. Do you live in a country other than your current nationality? No, I selected. Are you joining or traveling with a French national? No. Do you travel with a family of EU country? I select no. Your job, you have a lot of options, whichever is applicable for you. Sector where you are working, I'm just selecting one. Name of employer, just sample I'm doing. You can go to the drop down and select which one is perfect for you. Address, city. Not all the fields are mandatory, but why to leave if you have any information? Country, territory. Of course, I won't be submitting this. Telephone number, email address, email address of the employer. Oh, obligatory and cannot be. Probably I missed it. Now it's asking for Schengen visa in last 59 months, almost 5 years. Biometrics. So I select no. But if you have done, definitely say yes. Details of your stay. Planned date of arrival in French territory. Let's say you are going in August 1st. Departure from French territory. August 31st. Planned destination of stay in number of day. So I select 31. Number of entries one requested. Number of stays planned in France for the coming year. I select 0. Your plans of staying. Again, they ask the same question. Not sure why. Host person or organization. Like if you booked hotel, put hotel, hotel address, name, address, phone number, other things that you need to provide. Telephone number, email address. Oh, email address mandatory. Wow, not phone number. But yes, provide both. Why would you skip it? Funding. Who's funding? Yourself. You're funding. Okay. It will ask what are the things you have. Things. And then now it's asking for the supporting documents, as you can see. If you continue, it will ask you to upload that, and then you can submit, and then it will guide you the next step. They may ask for you for biometric interview or whatever as per your case. So that's how it goes. And and then they will book an appointment where you'll go for the with the form and other documents. As you can see, they have said what are the things you need to do. Okay, on the day of your appointment, like when the appointment scheduled. Okay, all right. So with this, and then with this, it goes through. You got an idea. Of course, I won't be submitting and going for the next steps where you pay and other things, but you got an idea how to do this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.